It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 5th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Get ready for a very warm weekend ahead. In fact, maybe the warmest temperatures we've had so far this year. But then we start to see an increase in clouds, cooler temperatures coming in, and the potential of some unsettled weather for the middle part of next week. Could we see some rain here in Phoenix? Well, we'll talk about that and everything else too in just a moment. But first, yes, it's Friday, so that means it's Photo Friday here, where we take a look at some of the photos and or videos that you guys have submitted. And first up, let's take a look at some pictures of the sunset, courtesy of Robert. And just absolutely gorgeous pictures. I say this every single week, but we don't have to have active weather to have great opportunities for some great pictures. And, well, take a look at these, courtesy of Pete and Tony. Some more shots of the sky, the sun, and glorious stuff out there. Thank you guys for sending these in. Always appreciate that. And finally, Chris Martin, speaking of a gorgeous picture. This is, again, a shot from northern Arizona, the sunset there. And that looks spectacular. And that's why we do it here, Photo Friday. Every week, you want to get in on it? groffshow@gmail.com is my email address. That is groffshow, Groff show @gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, let's take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 71 degrees was the afternoon high, 52 the morning low, the normal high 74, the normal low 52. And as we take a look outside right now, here just after 10 o'clock, we've got sunny sky out there. We're sitting at 64 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 35, relative humidity 34%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. The upper air look this morning shows high pressure building in across the southwest, and that's going to lead to a big time warming trend here the next couple of days. Temperatures well up in the 80s, especially tomorrow and Sunday. And the watch warning map remains rather quiet for March. Usually a very active month weather-wise, but not a whole lot happening. Yeah, we have some high winds over parts of the Great Basin and the Pacific Northwest, and some dense fog advisories over the Dakotas, but not a whole lot happening across the nation right now. The convective outlook for today, we do have a marginal risk of severe storms around Beaumont, Port Arthur, and Lake Charles, the Sabine Pass area. Otherwise, not a lot happening there. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, well, they're showing nothing. Statewide, not a whole lot either. Although there is at least a small opportunity we could see some rain in here by the middle and latter part of next week. And we'll talk about that right now as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run. And this is a look at 5 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure in control here across the southwest. And so synoptically, down at the surface today, sunny sky, beautiful day, high temperatures, upper 70s and low 80s. Tonight, we're clear, overnight lows, mostly in the 50s. And then tomorrow, sunny, warmer, highs mid-80s. On Sunday, we'll see a few high clouds come in. We'll call it partly cloudy, but that won't slow down the warm-up. High temperatures, I'd say, between about 85 and 88. This is likely not only the warmest day of the forecast period, but the warmest day we've had so far this year. Then on Monday, the weather pattern starts to change. We'll see troughing developing along the west coast. A southwesterly flow develops across Arizona. And so we will see a significant increase in mid and high-level cloudiness. The subcloud layer will remain bone dry. So from about 15,000 feet on down, still no significant moisture. So rain chances will remain nil, but still mostly cloudy on Monday. High temperatures still managing to get up to around 80. Then Tuesday, troughing begins to get more established across the west. We'll see temperatures dropping off more into the low and middle 70s. The sky remains mostly cloudy. On Wednesday, we see shortwave energy continuing to deepen here over the southwest. Better dynamic support, a little bit more moisture around for at least a few showers possible across the state, even here in the valley, mostly cloudy sky. But what we're talking about here is just kind of an isolated, very hit or miss, light shower sort of scenario. This is not going to be enough to cancel any outdoor activities, ruin any spring training games, anything like that. Just these few showers from time to time. It will be cooler, high temperatures falling back into the upper 60s. Some guidance might even have us a little bit lower than that. On Thursday, the latest run of the GFS becoming more bullish at the idea of developing a closed low somewhere over Arizona with time, and with better moisture coming in. Again, widely scattered showers around. A significant precipitation event still doesn't look likely here. This is just going to be a hit or miss, few showers off and on with occasional sun, mostly cloudy sky, high temperatures back in the mid and upper 60s. Now, here's a week from today. This is Friday the 12th. We still have this upper low over Arizona for a continuation of cool and potentially unsettled weather. Again, right now, a significant precipitation event not likely, but widely scattered, maybe even scattered showers would be around in this scenario. But, this is a week out. A lot can change. Closed lows are very fickle things. And then as we take a look out 10 days, this is Sunday the 14th. That system now moves off into the Plain States. Ridging beginning to establish along the west coast, a dry northwesterly flow coming in, and that would mean a warming trend, and we would dry out. All right, let's check out rainfall for Phoenix coming off of the European ensemble. This runs out through the 19th. And again, as I just mentioned, significant precipitation doesn't look likely. The ensemble mean is up there around 0.15 of an inch, although many of the ensemble members do indicate the possibility of at least a little bit of light rain, and so we'll watch for that next week. Temperatures off the national blend of models, I told you, it's going to be warm this weekend. Highs in the mid, maybe even upper 80s, especially on Sunday. Then we'll start to see a cooling trend coming in for next week with the increase in clouds and the possibility for some precipitation. And that'll just about wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video scheduled for Monday morning. Of course, updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, and even if you don't, just be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. I really do appreciate all of your kind words, your comments. Thanks so much, everybody. Your questions and suggestions, they're always encouraged as well. You guys be safe out there. Have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.